you don't have to be Cajun, you don't have to be low country to have a good time. We're going to do a crab boil today. One of my favorite social things to do. We're going to do crawfish, which are live. We've purged those twice. We have crab, which are live. We're sort of purging those. Potato, corn, sausage, bunch of garlic, lemon, seasoning. Got some butter over here. We got some garlic bread. We're going to put it all together and show you what a good meal and a good time is all about. We're going to start seasoning our water. So we'll take garlic, cut it directly in half. We're going to take 2 onions. Really, I don't peel it, but for YouTubers out there, we'll give it a quick peel. Real simple, real easy. Take our onions and we'll quarter those. This is all going to be live, real time, guys. This is not a hard or a long, complicated thing to do. It's actually very simple. So we'll take our onions, we'll quarter those. Got our garlic, and take all of this. Crab boil. Now we got it going. Now we're cooking with fire. One of my favorite all-time spices, Old Bay. Lemon slices, leaves in there, salt, sea salt. How salty is the water supposed to be? As salty as the sea. So there you go, sea salt. I'm gonna put a lid on. Alright, y'all, we got our water boiling. It's good and seasoned. Onions have been cooking for about 15-20 minutes. We're going to drop our potatoes in for about 10 minutes, and then we'll go back and start dropping the rest of the ingredients. Y'all, let's start putting everything together while we got our potato boiling. We're going to make some garlic butter for our seafood. So take your garlic, give it a smash. We want to do about 12 cloves of garlic to a pound of butter. Yeah, that's right, 12. How much garlic is enough? A shit ton. All right, we're going to chop our garlic. A pound of butter. Take our chopped garlic. Set on a low burner and just let it melt. Alright y'all, we're going to drop the corn and sausage. Today we're doing a smoked sausage and a Polish sausage. This brand is Kielbasa. They are not an endorser of ours by any means, but it is an amazing product. Try it. I promise you, you're going to love it. Over the large manufactured sausages, it's so much better than the other sausage. So I don't know if they're a small craft sausage company, but we tried this. We love it. Yeah, we're going to take the crab, drop them in the water, cover the lid for about 3 to 5 minutes, then we'll drop our crawfish in. We purged our crawfish 3 times, washed them really good. We're going to drop them in. We're going to set a 3-minute timer on these. Then we're going to turn them off and let it sit in the crab boil for about 10 to 15 minutes.